Well, here it is. Please excuse my voice because I'm very, very sick. But I've made a hummingbird feeder. Just kind of hard to see in this angle. I went to lunch and I got these Coca-Cola bottles, or these, soda bottles. We can't say the brand. And I thought they looked perfect for some hummingbird feeders because they're red. And I've got some brass and copper laying around. So those are the little holders. And I made these little perches. So cute. Just for the little hummingbirds to stand on. They use these copper tubes, these copper wires to hold the bottles in. These little bottles just go right in there. Three of them. Just use a piece of copper pipe as a centerpiece. Use a little wire, soldered it in as the hanger. These little copper feet. It's also copper wire I soldered in to the bottom of the pipe. And those are the little perches. So the hummingbird feeder can stand. The hummingbird can stand on there and take a little sip. There it is.